Hey, Jay from My Tennessee Home Solution here, and today I want to talk about 5 proven ways that you can find real estate cash buyers in your market. So first off, I want to talk about the importance of finding cash buyers and what cash buyers can do for you. In real estate, we say cash is king, and that is because cash buyers are able to provide much better offers because they don't have any contingencies upon getting finance for the property because they already have the cash. So in the vast majority of real estate transactions, you have people purchasing a house that they want to move into. So normal families buying a normal house and they get a mortgage, of course, because most normal people don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars that they can just purchase a house with straight cash. So because of that, they have contingencies included in their offer to buy a house. So generally the contingencies will be, for one of them will be appraisal, and that's something that the bank gets done. And that's for the bank to ensure that the property is worth what they believe it should be in order to provide that much funding, that big of a mortgage. They have to ensure that the property is really worth that big of a mortgage. They also have to approve the person or the family buying the house, ensure that they have the proper credit score and debt to income ratio and all these sorts of things. So a lot of this stuff has nothing to do with you as the homeowner, and the offer may fall through because of these contingencies. It can all be a little complicated, but with dealing with an all cash buyer, you don't have to worry about any of this. You don't have to worry about their financing being approved or the appraisal, sometimes even the inspection. So if they buy, or if your property needs some work, you kind of want to sell it as is because it maybe has some damage or needs some work done on it, then that can make it even harder to pass these contingencies, and even more important to sell to an all cash buyer. So that you don't have to worry about things falling through. Or if you're in a big hurry and you can't wait for them to get approved for their financing. So some different ways you can do this is you can hold an open house, you can post online on Facebook or different places, Craigslist, social media, trying to reach out and see if there's any all cash buyers in your local network of people you might know. You can attend meetups. There's often real estate groups where investors in your area will go to discuss things like this, and this is a good way you can meet. You can also go through public records, go to the courthouse, look at recent sales that were done with all cash investors. Can be a way. You can talk to a real estate agent or several real estate agents in your area and ask them if they know any all cash buyers. Or you can go search online, just type in cash buyers in my area. So if you're looking to sell your house in Nashville, looking to sell your house in Hendersonville, Gallatin, anywhere in the Nashville area, you can work with a company like My Tennessee Home Solution. We're all cash buyers and we know the local area very well, and we can provide you that all cash, stress-free offer that's going to have no contingencies or strings attached, and that way you can just be sure that it's going to close on time, going to close quickly, as is, and really just remove a lot of the stress from the whole situation. So if you need any more tips or advice, or just want to talk directly to a cash buyer like My Tennessee Home Solution, you can feel free to reach out to us, go to our website, or give us a call, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.